Hello and welcome to the Chaotic Force channel, and I'm your guide, Chaotic Monk. Look at here, we have another unboxing video for all of you who are interested or just plain curious. I know I am when I'm going around YouTube looking for interesting items that everyone else is unboxing, like I was there with them. Again, I'm doing a voiceover, but that soon will change unless you like my voiceover. Then let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll continue. Today we unbox the Tamron SP3580 f2.8 3.5 macro zoom lens. Whew. But before we start, let me just say that if you are curious what videos I'll put up next aside from unboxing videos, then hit that subscribe and notification button to get first dibs. Disclaimer: I am not liable for any experience you have with the sellers I'm about to say here, but this is my experience, okay? Anyways, back to the topic today. Online store we have bought this item from was Etsy. The seller, film camera stuff. Product, again, Tamron SP3580mm 2.8 35 macro zoom lens, adapt all 2 mount. And it only cost $39.99. As you can see, the packaging was well put together with that pink box and you know, all that protective coating there. I mean, look at the foam and the USP pack. What's that? USP envelope with bubbles inside. This person did a great job packing it. This lens up. Now, mind you, this is a manual lens. Love that casing. Yes, it's I never had this kind of casing before because of the modern lenses today. Comes in a box and bag. My first time having a nice case like that. Very nice. Now off the case, lens feels great. I love the solid feeling, and it's made out of all metal. And right here you see I'm testing all the functions. Since I'm a newbie at manual lens here, I was trying to figure out what's going on. I mean, I had experience. This one though, I was trying to figure out the macro part of it. So many writings on it, I didn't know what to do. But focus ring was moving nice. Drops. I thought I broke something, but that's just the back cap. Now, I love the zoom ring, the feel of the zoom ring and the focus ring. And the aperture. The aperture was kind of tricky because I didn't see the aperture ring closing. But that's just because you need to hold down a button in the back to actually engage it, so that when you twist the aperture rings, you see it open and close. And that'll automatically happen once you mount it into your camera. But in this case, this camera had the Olympus mount, so I had to purchase separately an adapter for my Nikon F mount. Anyways, right now I was just excited, although I had to wait I think a week for the adapter to come, so that I could use this lens. As you can see, I was looking to see if there's any oh, here it was just the aperture and the zoom. You can see I was like trying to figure out what's going on. Not so used to the back going in and out. If you look at our modern lens, the back lens doesn't move inwards, it just stays there. Everything happens within the lens itself, but this one was kind of different. Well, it was a good feel. I liked it. And right in here you're gonna see I'm about to get the light to look for any fungus. Person said it was free from fungus, free from, I believe, some fogging of the lens. There's a couple of dusts in there, but my main focus was fungus. Am I gonna have to open this lens up? but it looks nice. It was well written. Everything was as described, so I was happy. Feels nice in the hands, really feels nice in the hands. And mind you everyone, this is a vintage lens, so it is a manual lens. So if you're not into manual lenses, you're all about auto, this is probably not for you. But this is a fun lens and really will hone your skill as a photographer. So what are my thoughts? It's a good price. Would I recommend it to others? Yes. You can take it, it's really fun to use, and it's really cheap. Go wrong. Now I will show you some examples. Enjoy. And please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Hey.